I need you for a thumbnail. You ready?
What's a thumbnail?
Alright, y'all. Sorry it's a little windy out here. Hopefully you guys can still hear me, but welcome back to the channel. So today's upload is going to be a little bit weird. I kind of recorded some of today's video yesterday, and it was kind of weird of a video. I ended up taking a bunch of it out. Today's content is going to be basically all around like our workouts, and at the end of it I'm going to just show you guys like one of the meals that I cooked per the instructions and all that good stuff. But it should be a nice little upload. Hopefully you guys enjoy videos like this. If you guys don't, you guys only want to see like car content, let me know. We can start just posting this on Yancy's channel, which is coming up soon. But right now I'm just doing some stretching, about to run. And Yancy's actually all the way up ahead because I'm actually going to be doing some workouts. She's hurting a little bit currently right now, still negative Rona. So we beat Rona, F you, we're done. But yeah, all we're going to do right now is just I'm gonna do a little bit of running out here in the lake. Beautiful day. And let's get to it. Peace. Alright, so quick update. We just finished all our 5 rounds. We messed up and did the first one without the timer on the app. So the app for the fitness trainer actually does all the workout for you. So we are supposedly 65%. All we have left is our 60-second planks, which we have 3 circuits of that. How is it, babe?
Killer.
You feel the burn?
Yes.
Where does it burn?
Everywhere. My legs. My ass.
All right, and we do have a time lapse going. A little bit of an inception right there. Oh, yeah, whatever. So the wife is watching the video and she's laughing. So that's good. Is it funny?
Yes.
I need you for a thumbnail. You ready?
What's a thumbnail?
Basically, take a picture with me, and I'll put it as the cover for the video. Yeah, something like that. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
A few moments later.
All right, welcome back, y'all. So, quick little update. Got the wife doing the dishes. Now she's asleep. Baby, you asleep?
No.
Where you at?
Right here.
He needs some
So
milk.
she's asleep. Got the RGB going. Got the RGB on the setup. And right now doing some green beans and green beans and broccoli. Chopping up all the other stuff here. Let's turn on the light. We got some mushrooms. We got some zucchinis that have, man, let me show you this machine. This is how you start off 2021 on a banger. So I bought this hole right here. Made me some little noodles from zucchinis. It was pretty cool. And then I got all this chopped up here from yesterday. I might do some new one because that cilantro looks kind of messed up. But we got everything that we need. A little bit of pepper. We're gonna salt and pepper. We can season the breast. Tilt it down, whatever. It's chicken chow mein. There's chicken thigh. I got breast, so hopefully that's not bad. We got some turkey sausage, avocado oil, the little zucchini things, cabbage, mushroom, onions, minced garlic, coconut amino, sesame oil, white vinegar, and then ground ginger, which we have all the seasonings in the whole wide world. And then we got the, I don't even know where the sauce, babe, where'd you put the sauces? Oh, they're back here. So we got the coconut amino thing, and then we got the sesame oil, and then I just went and got some coleslaw that I didn't have yesterday, some more avocado oil, and we got the vinegar thing. And then I also got the apple cider vinegar little gummies, so we can go ahead and do that. But we're gonna go ahead and probably start cooking here. Maybe the wife can hold the GoPro here in a minute and we can see how we're running, but we'll just let these, the way I do these is I just let them turn a little green, and then once they're green, like bright green, I'll take them off, put them in a little bowl. I used to put ice in them, but it's fine with just water. And then just put them in the fridge. But let's go ahead and rock it. Let's see what we got. Woo. Alright, so quick update. We got the chicken in with the minced garlic, salt and pepper. And then we just cook this for, I'd say maybe about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how thick the chicken you made. And then, alright, cool. So yeah, it just kind of cooked till it's all done. I really wish I could smell. Thanks, Rona. But I'm sure it's gonna smell delicious. And we should be good. Gotta flip them, make sure they're all nice and good. And then we're gonna dump in our zucchinis, mushrooms, that stuff. These two guys, and I think that's it. So we'll check back again here. Oh no, this guy. I gotta add these two guys. Forgot about those. And then we should be pretty much done with the food, and then we'll just enjoy and eat. So we'll see you guys. Alright, so quick update. It's kind of weird looking, but it smells pretty good. I think it's the first thing I can smell, so yeah, this is it. It's like some chicken and the noodles and the cabbage and a bunch of good stuff, right? So that's the finished product. We got the green beans right here.
Wow, it's very nice.
And that's all we got. So hopefully we don't die. We haven't died so far with all the food I made. Babe, why don't you turn on the light? Nice.
There you go.
We got light everywhere. So we got light on the setup. Turn off the light here so maybe y'all can see. Just living our best life out here, so it's gonna be tough when we leave here. Babe, are you gonna be sad when we leave here?
We're not leaving.
I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving!
Not fucking leaving. I said so.
I guess she's paying the rent this whole next year. I want to get a house, but we'll see how it turns out. Maybe we stick around another, if they don't beef up the rent on us too bad, but we'll see what's up. But now, we're going to enjoy some food. Thank you guys for sticking along and watching. If you guys haven't already, you already know, hit that like button, subscribe, share the video with your friends. See if maybe they want to try out these recipes, or I can maybe do it more in depth. Maybe Yancy can help me with it, or I'll set up the camera or something like that, but should be good. Baby, got anything to say? Last words?
No, it's been a very productive day.
Oh, yeah.
My head hurts right now because I haven't eaten.
He needs some milk!
She's basically a baby. Dang, girl, close that mouth.
No.
How's it taste?
The broccoli's so good.
Eat the other thing. I know my broccoli's fire.
Alright, here goes the chicken. Pretty good.
What about the rest?
I'm about to eat the whole thing.
Damn. Let me turn off the GoPro. Good? Alrighty, and we're gonna add some Tabasco because I am brown and I got my cup of water. Alright, now we'll see you guys later. What? Alright, cool. So thank you guys for watching the video. We're gonna end off on this right here. So I'm recording this the day after this last part with the cooking. Today there's no cooking. Well, actually I am gonna cook. I'm gonna cook the same food again just because I messed up on the portions and I should have doubled the thing or whatever. Doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna cook the last portion so I can have that so I can eat tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow's another meal prep day. We're gonna be making Greek meatballs and I don't know, I forgot what this, oh man, some cauliflower thing. So hopefully that turns out good. So far all the food has been really good. But yeah, that's all we got. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Hit that sub button, like, share, all that good stuff. I definitely appreciate all you guys watching the videos. And like I said, it's gonna be more not daily content, even though I could probably do daily content, but I'm probably gonna keep it to maybe like 2 videos a week. So today, Tuesday, was the upload, so I'll probably upload another one Friday. And then Tuesday another, and Friday, and so on and so forth. If I have a whole bunch of videos up, then I'll just keep doing those. As far as car content goes, what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and head over to Paramount Speed Monday, between Monday or Tuesday, so I can go ahead and get some shots and film the new GT500s that Matt and Nick got. So freaking beast cars, and I'm lucky enough to know these awesome people, and they're cool with me doing like review videos on them, and then obviously shoot some pictures because I do photography as well. So huge shout out to those guys, and then obviously I'm gonna go check out Paramount Speed because I missed them and I haven't seen them in a while. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.